Alright guys, so what I had to do is jump over this huge water, and I got my feet all wet, so now I'm going to try to do some fishing and we're going to get some fish. My first bite was a little baby creek chub. It got off, so I'm going to put more hot dog on and show you guys the fish. Alright guys, first fish of the day, a little creek chub. Look at me, look how fat he is. Little fat guy. Alright, there's one. We're gonna try to get a lot more. A lot of these fish like hot dogs, worms, anything you can like use that small. What you want is a small hook because these fish are small and their mouths are small. You really don't want a big hook or a big lure or anything because they won't even go near it. As soon as I hit the water, the creek chub hit it. So right here's a decent one. Let me calm him down. Actually, I'm gonna take him off the hook. Show you guys. Right here, you can. Perfect size for the big catfish, guys. Here we go. And you throw in the water. There's usually like 10 to 15 in the school. So once this bait hits the water, they're going to attack it, so be ready to catch them. So as soon as I throw this in, they'll probably bite it. See him? I can see him head. Look. See, look. The pumpkin seed I was looking for. What are you doing here? So a lot of these creeks hold bluegill, pumpkin seeds, creek chubs, maybe some bass. But right here, look, pumpkin seed I just caught off a hot dog. So cool. I love fishing creeks. It's nice and peaceful, and no one bothers you. So once again, here you go. First pumpkin seed, baby. I want to talk about the rod and reel setup. So I got this ugly stick 4-foot finesse right here. I got about this little tiny hook I got from Meyer. So you want to use a really small hook, a weight, anything that gets to the bottom, because usually creek wires are 3 to 4 feet, and a finesse rod. I'm using a finesse rod and reel. Ugly stick. Here's the reel. I mean, you don't need anything too special, so you don't need a 7-foot rod. I would say 4 to 5 foot rods would be perfect for this. Good one. Yes. Another pumpkin seed. I don't know if I caught it. Did I catch you twice? Oh, this one might be a little bit bigger than the one I thought I had, so. This one is a little bit bigger. You guys can see right here. Hanging a little fishy right there. Creek chub monster, baby. Let's do it. I just literally saw like the biggest sunfish in here. It looked like a normal bluegill and just swiped out my bait. So there are decent sized fish in here. I mean, you're not going to get the local bass and smallmouth, but you're going to get pretty good bluegill, sunfish, creek chubs, basically the bait fish that the bass and catfish eat. Here's a little dude right here. Basically the two species are in here. This guy right here is creek chub. That's what they're mostly in here with the sunfish and bluegill. These dudes you can use to get big catfish. Here's another pumpkin seed right here. There's a lot of pumpkin seeds in there. I think it's because it rained yesterday. A lot of these fish are down further in the stream. They came down here because I only seen one, but now I'm catching them a lot. So here you go. I mean, once it rains and stuff, there might be some bass in here. I don't know. We'll just have to see. But a lot of these fish came down from the stream because the water pushed them down here, and they get caught in these pools. So what you want to do is find a big pool. Yep, smaller one. Very fish, look at that. Look at that, guys, a little micro dude. Alright guys, I hope you liked this episode. I want to say again, thanks for watching another exciting episode of Hook 'n Bass 92. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment below and tell me what's your favorite creek fish to cast. And as always, catch big fish, have a good day.